Hi, and this is how you could have recorded your working hours using Emacs work mode. So here on the right you see the complete example, but we'll just work step by step now to sort of show you how you would have done that, would you wanted to do it using org mode in Emacs. So let's suppose you've got an input which looks something like well, let be this your working hours, and you've got this sort of bunch of text which you want to now convert to a table. But before you can convert it, you want to replace the minus with a space, so we will do minus space. Okay, now we can convert this to a work table by Control C and pipe. We would also want to add well, no, first we will add a column to this table, and this would be meta shift left, and well, we wanted this column to be on the far right, so we can move it with meta left, and here we go. But we also wanted this table to have a header, so our header would be start and total. And you also want to separate this. Here you are. Oops. And you want this to have a nice line on the bottom. So you want to write a formula for calculating the hours per day, and this would be the second column, which is scale 2 minus first column, scale 1. And well, don't you worry for now, because in order for this to be to actually perform math on times rather than numbers, you have to add this little thing and recompile it, and then you've got your 8 working hours, 15 minutes. Now what you want to do, you want to tell it that you actually don't want this to calculate the last row, because the last row is where you want the total over the total. So this would be at 2, because we are starting with the second row, and all the way until the one before last row, and that's again scale 3 again. Okay, now we don't recompile it. Good. And you now want to set this particular column, and this means the last row and the third column, and you want to sum the values in the third column, which would be 3. Okay, you want to sum them from the second row because the first row is irrelevant, and all the way up to one before the last, and this will be again the third column, and this should be again the time. Let's check it. Okay, so you've worked for 66 hours and no minutes. Now if you wanted to, you could have added more records, like for example, have you worked 7:45 to, let's say, 8. Well, that's kind of too much. Let's say 15, 50, and let's rebuild it. And here you are. You work now for 74 hours. And now let's say you wanted there to be an additional column to sort of store and then weekdays, and you again could do this like this, and say this would be a day, and one day, and well, I won't fill it just to see that the formula still works. Oh, let's add just another row.